Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix Doctor Strange's portal, hugely FPS dropping in game. And let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do is just make your way over to settings. From settings go over to display, and from display one thing that you guys want to turn off is frame generation mode, and you want to just turn this off, and you want to basically set your DLSS to ultra performance, compensate. But other than that, everything else that you guys can do is just go over to graphics and hit optimize settings. This is like best for your PC, and you can go ahead and just turn everything down to low as well if it's like something set to medium and if it's still dropping. So I highly recommend just setting everything down to low or performance, whatever is the absolute best, or whatever is like the best for FPS, because I personally don't even see a difference between low and high. So I would recommend just setting everything down to low in performance, for certain details. So yeah, other than that, there really isn't much you can do. But the main thing you do want to do, and what people have seen a result from doing, is just turning on or turning off frame generation mode. And what you can also do is just set DLSS to ultra performance, so it could compensate for that. So other than that, that should be it. You can always update your drivers as well. You can always play down at a lower resolution if you're on a laptop. But other than that, there really isn't much more you can do other than just turn everything down to low settings, the lowest possible settings, and just make sure you have stuff like VSync off. And yeah, that should be it for the video. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.